Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another Create This Book 2 episode. It's been about a year since I've done the last one, so it's time to do another episode. So I'll be doing two illustrations. So let's just get started. So first illustration. So the directions for this one says create confetti. Make confetti by cutting small pieces of paper or other materials and glue it onto the page. So for this illustration, I drew a cupcake digitally and then I printed it out. So I'm just gonna transfer it to the paper using the charcoal method. So yeah, first time drawing a cupcake. It turned out okay. You guys will see. So I know Moriah Elizabeth always draw cupcakes, so it kind of like inspired me to want to draw a cupcake because I don't really draw those type of things. I'm more of a character and people and environment kind of person. So my experience was good. I'll stick to what I'm good at, people and environments. But yeah, so all these illustrations, I decided to use color pencils. I wanted to use markers, but I don't know. I just didn't feel like getting another piece of paper, and color pencils is something that I'm good at. Honestly, this illustration did not turn out as I hoped. I was completing them after work, after standing on my feet for 8 hours, so I was pretty tired, pretty in pain already, my back, my neck, my feet. So I kind of like rushed these just to get it over with, but they were relaxing in a way to de-stress from work. So I decided to draw a chocolate cupcake because I love me some chocolate. So I know the last episode, if you watched that a year ago, I did all food. Um, I recently just rewatched that just to see what type of videos I did, and I did not mean to do food again. But, it is what it is. I mean, it's called Create Confetti. I mean, when I think of confetti, I think of parties, birthday parties, um, I don't know, celebration. So I feel like a cupcake fits with the party kind of theme, confetti kind of theme. So drawing dessert just makes sense for me. I was gonna like draw like my birthday cake from last year when I turned 20. I had like a little mini carrot cake. But then I was like, I'm just gonna draw a cupcake, do something simple. I don't draw dessert, so this is all new to me. So yeah, the frosting was really hard for me. I kept on getting confused where the lines go. Had my reference photo in front of me, but still, it was still hard for me. Um, so yeah, I really struggled with it, even sketching it out on digitally as well. Sorry for my voice. I literally just woke up. It's literally 5 a.m. in the morning. So yeah. So for the confetti part, I didn't really plan this out. I just grabbed some scrapbook paper from my scrapbook collection, and I found this little cute polka dot rainbow kind of not hieroglyphic, holographic paper, and I just thought that the dots kind of remind me of confetti, so I cut little triangles out and I just pasted it on the piece of paper with a glue stick, and yes, party time, we're having a good time. And then I ended up adding some sparkly glitter pens. I think they're gel glitter pens I had a while back. They were in my color and pencil kit for some reason, so I was like, hey, let me add some of this. Half of them were dried out, unfortunately, so I only used the pink, the silver, and the gold. And I think it really added to the illustration, especially on the black side. I think the black page is really, really cool. And yeah, so next page, create a page of lyrics. Write the lyrics to a song here. So on the left side I wrote the lyrics, and on the right side I did a little illustration of a girl listening to music on her headphones. So yeah, let me pull out the sketch right here. So yeah, I drew this one digitally too. I've been playing this video for a long time, so I already did the illustrations beforehand. So yeah, there's that. So I already transferred it on my piece of paper, and then I'm just coloring her. I really wanted the colors to be kind of cohesive, so her jacket or hoodie is like, I'm doing it blue right now, but it's gonna be purple, and then her nails are gonna be blue, and then yeah, you'll see. So yeah, when I went over with a kneaded eraser, I kind of like lost some of the sketch, so I had to like redraw it, and some places look a little wonky. Especially you'll see at the end where the phone case and her ear and AirPods and the hand. It took me like 30 minutes to draw that hand, so I was like, oh, why did I do this? I have to draw this hand again. But soon I am gonna make a video doing 100 hands in 10 days challenge, just to improve my skills, prepare myself for art school. So yeah, you'll see a lot of challenges like that coming up in the next few months. So yeah, I really like how this one turned out. It is kind of messy because the graphite kept smudging. I should have sealed it first, but it is what it is. So, fun fact, I only listen to mostly Christian music, like Christian rap, Christian R&B, and like worship music. So I decided to pick one of my favorite songs at the moment, which is 10K by KB. So yeah, that's a song I did. It's a Christian rap song. So I do listen to other music. I usually listen to like Disney music sometimes. I love me some We Don't Talk About Bruno. No. Yeah, I like that song. So I'm pretty sure everyone likes that song. But yeah, I love me some Bruno. I mean, I love me some Disney music. So, yeah, this is the final illustration. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And let me know if you want to see more Create This Book too, because I've been neglecting it, unfortunately. So, yeah, let me know if you guys like it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!